Hi guys, so for this vlog, dito kami guys sa tent namin. Tent namin, yes. Kakabili lang to guys, and kakaset up lang nito, kaya, alam niyo na. And this is my pinsan. Nagsiselfon siya na addict din siya guys. Charot. And then guys, yung mamatay na yung silo mini, kita nyo Ay, ito ka ano. In Tagalog word is, yung ilaw namin ay namamatay na kasi nalaglag siya guys. Mukhang may nagalaw na, mukhang may nagalaw na, mukhang may nagalaw na battery or what. This is my kapinsan ko, diba? Kapatid na parang pinsan ko na siya. Diba guys? Charis. Yeah. And etong tent ko na to is 5 to 8 person guys. And yan, wala yung ilaw namin. Ilaw namin guys. And that's the mini fun guys. Perfect. Yan guys, so please paki-nood tong video ko sa YouTube guys. Please and peace out. Peace out. Bye and love you and